Hey guys, I wanted to show you the new website that I am playing around with called Flipgrid.com. And it is a website where you can record short videos and you can post them to where the class and myself can watch them. So today what I want to do is I want to show you how to get there and how we're going to use it to kind of try it out today. So in your announcements here, you will find that there's a link titled Flipgrid, and I'm going to be clicking on that link today. I'm going to pretend that I am one of you, so that way you can see it from the student side. When you get here, it says Miracle Grid. You're going to click Login with Google because we're going to use our Google login that we've been using. I'm going to pretend that I am Monty, and I'm going to show you what it looks like from your point of view. All right, so once you get in here, it is the Miracle Flipgrid. And if I scroll down, there is a Flipgrid for today. It says say hello. So if you look at the Flipgrid, it says that there is one response already. So this is where your responses go once you post them. So once you create a video, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second, I will be notified. I can view your video, and if I approve your video, and assume that it is appropriate and it is meeting the qualifications of what I asked you to do, then I will post it right here as well. If I click on that video, this is on our grid. Hey guys, welcome to Flipgrid. I'm really excited about this website. So you can watch the videos there as well. And then there's a button here that says reply. So let's see what happens when we click reply. You can actually reply back to me with a video, but you're going to be creating your own video. So reply would work if, for example, you watch somebody's video and you wanted to comment on their video. You could hit reply to record. That's your record button right there. I'm going to X out and go back though. Hey guys, welcome to Flipgrid. I'm really excited. There's also a like button, so you could click the heart there if you wanted to like it. But to create your own video, you're going to be clicking this big green plus. And then you're going to hit record whenever you are ready to record. You have a timer up here. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. So when your timer runs out, your video cuts off. But if you're finished before that time is off, you can also just end the video. So if I press record, it's going to count me down, so I'm ready. And then I can start saying, hello, miss you guys a whole lot. I really wish I was in school. I have been playing lots of chalk outside and drawing pretty pictures, and I was using tape to mark things off, so it looks really cool. So you're just kind of telling them what you've been up to, okay? And that's kind of the goal for your video. So you can see that it counts you down right there, but if you are done, you can hit pause. And then you can hit next when you're finished. So you don't have to go the entire minute and 30 seconds. So then you hit next. And then I can start saying, hello, miss you guys a whole lot. So it's going to play back to you there. If you like it and you want to post it, you would hit next. If you watched it back and you were like, oh, no, I don't like that, you can hit delete and redo it. So I'm going to pretend I really like this one and click next. And then it takes you to a screen here. This is the selfie screen. It asks you to take a picture. So that's going to be like the thing people see when they look at your video on the grid. So you would take a picture there. You can do some fun stuff here. There are some buttons. You can add some text to this before you snap the picture. You can add, I think this one's kind of fun to add a sticker. So there are some emoji faces you can go with. There are people you can add. My favorite is the accessories. So I could add some accessories to the picture here. You can size it to make it however big. You can move it, and then you can put it on top of you in the picture. And that way, when you press take picture, it is going to be in the picture with you. So I'll click off that, and then I can snap the picture. And then if I like my picture, I can click next. If I want to redo it, I can hit redo. So then I'm going to click next there. And then it should be finished after that. So this pops up for your display name. If I were Monty, I would, stick with Montgomery F, or you can change it to Monty. Just make sure you're putting your name where people know who you are. And then if you wanted to give it a title, you can. And then when you're done, you're going to hit submit video. And then once we go back, it's not going to pop up until it gets sent to me. And then I'll watch it and click approve, and it will be added to the grid. Okay, so don't expect to see it like instantly right away. I have to check over it. So I'm going to click complete, and then see it's not popped up here because I haven't checked it. So that would be the next step. You'd have to wait for me to look over it. Okay. All right, so that is Flipgrid. You guys can kind of play around with it and see what you can figure out. Sometimes whenever you go to log in, there's a button that pops up and it says to allow for webcam. You want to make sure that you have clicked that. For me here, there is, it says this page is accessing your camera and microphone. So you want to make sure that it says continue allowing this to access your camera and microphone. A lot of times, if it is on your Chromebook, this will be turned off to block. So if you click on the camera button up here, it should turn on to say continue and then done. And that should fix that problem. All right, so that is Flipgrid. If you get stuck or you can't figure it out, then we can try to problem solve and figure it out. But I thought it was a fun way to kind of interact and stay connected with each other. All right, you guys can give it a shot whenever you have some time. See you later.